Hi, it's Ray from Pro Shaper Workshop in Charlton, Massachusetts. This is a little leading demo. One of my students, Kevin, put this new bottom door skin in. There's no access right here. He's got a little bit of problem, little low spot. He can't knock that up. So that will be leaded right in here. First step, you got to get it all clean. So nice stiff wire brush. Nice clean metal. Next step, we'll warm it up a little bit. Use a little acid. It's a safety clean. Harris provides that. I got a water bottle with a little of the acid, water bottle cap, little acid in it. Try not to breathe that. Stick of lead, we reclaim all the lead we use and then redo it in a piece of angle iron.
Now, why lead and not Bondo?
Lead's better than Bondo. If you're doing a collector car, you should use lead rather than Bondo. All right, so we put that lead on there, and then we just wipe it off with a paper towel. So what we've done is, this is called the tinning operation. So that makes that surface really ready to put the lead on it. But we're going to use a little lead paddle, wood paddle. We need a little lubricant. You can use wax. This is just candle wax. Making a little reservoir of candle wax here. Leave that right there. Heat that up. And then that won't stick when we're spreading it around now. So then we take and heat this up again. You can see where it's tinned, it's nice and shiny. We got all the spots. We put some material on here. It'll tend to want to run and stuff, so you kind of daub it. It's not a problem if it falls on the floor. You just reclaim it and use it again. We gotta get enough material on here. It's like putting on Bondo. You gotta have more than you need. In lead, it's really important to get a little bit more than you need. This edge is heating slower because it's thicker there. Over here, the lead goes on pretty easy, and then it kind of runs downhill a little. We want to put a little bit more right in here. There's a heat where it flows like butter. You go too much, and it flows like water. So you got to find that sweet spot. A little more acid in there.
Yeah.
The big problem is not putting enough material on, because if you have to resolder it, you just open the can of worms again. You got to build it up more than you need it, so that when you file this down, you have something to work with. Looks like it's a little deficient right there. You can kind of heat this up and just drop it on. The hardest thing is working on a vertical surface. You have to have the paddle there and kind of catch it. A little tricky doing the verticals. This is pretty easy with the horizontal. So they have all kinds of stuff like tinning butter and all that. I've used all that in the past. You got to clean the metal really good with acid like this. I don't know that this is hydrochloric or what. I'm not sure, but it's usually watered down a little bit, and that will clean the metal really good so you can tin it. And you want to make sure you get all the metal clean really good. And now that's on there. It looks like I got enough. And that should file out pretty good. All right, here's the file you use, the Vixen file. And let's see, this one is, yeah, that's it right. It's the adjustable style here. So the lead file's pretty easy. And again, you can collect all this little filings. So you don't want to dig in. I dug in with the edge. You go like that and make a big groove. So you got to kind of keep it really flat. And it's probably like 10-minute job to file that all out. And I'm going to let Kevin do that. That's it from Wray at Pro Shaper Workshop on the leading demo.